Total knee replacements are among the most successful and common procedures in modern orthopedics. At Zimmer Biomet, we believe the best way to achieve patient satisfaction is to provide surgeons with products to closely reproduce your knee's natural form and function. We've developed a total knee replacement system featuring anatomically accurate implants to help personalize your fit and restore the unique identity of your knee. But we're not done innovating and exploring what's possible. For this reason, we're proud to introduce Persona IQ, the world's first and only smart knee implant. Persona IQ provides your physician with motion data from your smart knee implant. The implant features a smart stem extension with an array of sensors capturing data such as knee range of motion, stride length, and step count. Your healthcare team is provided remote access to this data, which is securely shared through a wireless docking station. Through the latest implant technology, you'll have confidence that you're connected to your healthcare team every step of the way.